lungane Collins Evans Asiyo men architect wacho ni Trevor Musna Collins mano jaskunda amor ka kuta chenro to ko wacho ni nurses osekaw nyaka next year to kare moko gi dak ndiki mano architect Evans Asiyo.
Ayego erokamano. Adwoko Dr. Davji osiepna ahinya wuoda diedo. Awacho ni onge shortage mantie ma nursing workforce e Kenya ka en artificial created by the people monego beni employ nurses. Nitiere karata migo ka nikech ok wayie ni ostende nigi very high ratios. You know, only one nurse is taking care of 40 patients in a ward. Which quality care can a nurse give? Can give 40 patients in a nurse, 5 are critically ill, madwar attention mare. Todwa team a night shift. Jogi odwa thiedho gi sadi, odwa pimo gi sadi, wang no ngini ngane dwaro ango sadi, emergencies bebiro ka, moko be dwaro mondo mi otimne gi other procedures. Sadi ma wang one nurse will take care of 40 patients. Kidhi maternity, there are 3 nurses taking care of 30 mothers in labor. WHO requirement is one nurse should take care of 3 mothers. Manage jok minyalo monitor effectively. To kakoro gina parga beach, mini aparga beach, mingi ogi nasa chiel. Money at different stages of labor. Moro ni dwaro mondo odhio konyre machielo benie ka machielo stages gigo pogore. Ere kaka nas ni biro manage jogete. Then gige makelo weche makori wacho ni malpractice, negligence, kizungu moko mitero go nase kotgi. The root cause of these problems, mommy, there's a high mortality rate of mothers and infants in our newborn units, and because of low staffing ratios. Low staffing ratios, kidi katamane a community from level 1, level 2, and level 3 facilities. One dispensary better run by just one person who is a nurse. Any minor lab, any minor ultimo immunization, any tinde boket ni nyaka mothers deliver in hospital, any minor pharmacy, any minor. How is it ni onyalo timo gigite within a shift of 8 hours? It is impossible. Omio sani gimodwaro and for government to appreciate ni there is need to invest in the nursing workforce. They should not view investment in health as an expenditure. Rather, it should be an income, and it should be it is a dividend to the communities nurses, health workers are. Nikech Cork invest in health. People better high mortality rates and other effects. Koro wakwayo. At now, Kenya needs additional 50,000 nurses. Makasiri Kenya employ 50,000. To Pod, we have the capacity to export. Another thing as nurses is taxation. Serikalo monjo slibwa odonjore marach. Magi mok mi wakue. Omio sani gimodong en mani wawuouru kaka nyalo miwa CBA manyien, wabed CBA manyien mondo wachakuru go negotiation. To the rate ma serikal donje slibwa, the rate ma this taxation is taking effect on us is too bad. It is unacceptable, and action, we have to do something.
Okay.
Thank you.
Sakoro mayo wango na vijia da winja ne kuomi